It's that time again, double feature time. This time, it's 2 stories from Dora the Explorer. First up, The Windy Day. Then, stay tuned after that story for Bringing Back the Book. Dora the Explorer, The Windy Day. It's such a windy day. I think I hear tree limbs knocking on the window. Oh, maybe it is a knock at the door. No one is here. But look, someone wrote me a note. It is from Boots. The note said to meet Boots at Play Park. I need to wrap up before I go. Abuela knit me this scarf to knot around my neck. It's Isa. Boots wrote her a note too. But something is wrong. Isa only has 1 mitten. Oh no! The wind blew Isa's other mitten up on a tree limb. Let's call Tico to help get it down. He is really good at climbing trees. Hooray! Tico got Isa's mitten, and Boots wrote him a note too. Let's all go to Play Park together. We made it to Play Park. There is Boots, and look what he has. 4 kites. What a perfect day to fly kites! Hooray! Dora the Explorer, bringing back the book. Boots and I are going to a place where there is a lot to do, and we are bringing back a book. Do you know where we are going? Yeah, the library. Map says that to get to the library, we must go over the Singing Brook, cross the Troll Bridge, and bring the book back. Let's get going. We are looking for the Singing Brook, but there are 2 brooks. Which one is singing? We have to listen to find out. Should we be quiet or loud if we are listening? We did it! We were listening quietly, and we found the Singing Brook. But how can we get across without getting wet? Good thinking! The swinging vines. Now we need to cross the Troll Bridge. The grumpy old troll has a riddle for us. What tells a story from the start to the end? You can read it by yourself or read it with a friend. Do you know what it is? Yeah, the answer is a book. And look, even the grumpy old troll likes reading. We made it to the library, and I am returning my book. There is so much to do. Benny and Boots are listening to stories. Tico is reading a book all by himself. Do you know what I am going to do? I am picking out a new book. Happy reading! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Dora the Explorer stories, check out my Dora the Explorer playlist. And if you enjoyed these 2 stories, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you. See you next time.